If you are new to Canva or you've been hearing the word Canva and you don't know how to go about navigating the app itself, this video is for you. Please don't go away because you're definitely going to learn one or two things even before the end of the video. Welcome to the channel, and this is the Distilling Insight YouTube channel, and please stay tuned to the end of the class. First thing you need to do is go to your Chrome and search for Canva. It will pop up what you need. So this is the interface you come across, and once you see this, all you need to do is just go to sign up because you're a new user. So once you get to sign up, you continue with another account. But if you have your Gmail there, I don't want to log in. I want to show you how to sign up. So you continue with either your email or your Google. So whichever one you're continue with, once you click on it, you'll be asked to type in your personal or email. So once you type it and continue, then a mail will be sent to your mailbox. Go ahead and copy the code you use to continue, and then voila, you're registered on Canva. So but for those that already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and click on login after sign up my name, which is what I've been using so far. So I'm just going to click on continue because I have an account with Canva. So I'm going to choose this account to continue to Canva. This is the interface. Let me quickly take you through all that you have here on the interface. All these ones that you are seeing here, this YouTube thumbnail, document, whiteboard, they call them quick create buttons. Quick create buttons. Why? Because the moment you just click on this, you have your document created. Looking at it, you have the YouTube thumbnail, the document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, education, video, website. Let's go ahead and press one. Let's assume I want to create the website. Looking at this is just I'm not going to continue with this, but we'll come back to it. So this is the way it will just bring it out if you are creating a website. So let's go back to our main menu and then close this page and go back to this Droptober that you are seeing here is because a new feature has just been launched recently this October. And if you want to explore more, you go to see the latest launches. But that is not where we are going today. So now let's go to this left navigation menu. You can see home, and this home, this is what it deals with. They create the design, they create the theme, and all stuff like this. So once you come to project, if you come to project, this project include any designs you and your team must have created. So let me take you through this project. You can see this is all. It means it includes the folders, the designs, the images, and even the videos. So for this one, if you're going to the folders, let's see all the folders you've created. This is where it will be. And folders are usually relevant for you to have a easy navigation to all the works you've done instead of searching through all your works from here. And for these designs too, but as many designs that you must have created, you'll find it here. Then if it's image, so you'll find it there too. And for your videos, you'll find everything is here. And this one is owner, so anyone that has been shared with you, this owner button is for you to have. Okay, let's assume files has been shared with you, you'll find it there. Then for this category, once you come here, you'll see the whiteboard. If you've categorized all your designs, you see everything that you've done so far. Then you click on them. Then for date, let's assume is it the last 90 days, last year, today, anytime that you've done it, then you find it there. And if you want to add another project or another folder, go ahead and add it here. So for this template, it has a lot of categories. For you to have what you need as quick as possible, the best thing to do is just click on this search thousands of templates and ensure your search option is as specific as possible. Anything you are looking for, just type it in. If you're looking for LinkedIn business. You understand? Like make use of those is a keywords that would actually bring up good suggestion immediately. So now you can see you have 20,000 template on this particular one, and you have the size here. So all you need to do is just click on it, and then once you click on it, you can see customize this template. So you go ahead and customize this template. Okay, under this template, so you have all templates. You have the photos template, you have the categories under all templates. You have for business, you have for this. You understand? Just check to mind maps, letterhead, resume, proposal, report, explore the cards and navigation. And for photos, likewise, you have for icons, you have icons here. Once you click on it, you can see eye-catching icons. Just throw them. You can start them instead of coming back to search any of this template that you clicked on. You can just click on the start, and you will find everything that you start. You find it under the start content here. So you can see it's here already, and its creators you follow, you find them here. If you are following any creators and you maybe you're inspired by their designs and you just follow them up, you find all the creators you follow here. And the next thing we'll talk about is this brand. Allows you to upload your logo, the colors, your logo, your brand voice, anything you want to put there, you find it there. You can say this brand kit, this is what I'm saying. So if you need to add anything under it, you just go ahead for easy navigation. And for your brand template, you find it here too. And for brand controls that you can see here, so this brand controls is just to ensure that you enforce your brand designs on your team, And for this application, this option is basically for you to have access to all the applications that's collaborated with Canva, in order for us to design seamlessly without having to go outside the app to access something. So now for workplace essentials, you see different apps that you need here, which are the Google Workspace, the Salesforce, you can see Google Ads, Dropbox, the Google Drive. So and for AI powered, you have image upscaler, colorize. Can you see? You have coloring book, image, animate, profile, morph, AI, narrator. So any of those apps that you need, you just go ahead and click on them and make sure and use them in your designs. Then another thing is for productivity. There are various apps under productivity. We have the Amazon Had, Instagram, Flourish. Just try and explore QR code generator, filters, binder, unique code out. So for design essentials, the app that you might easily need, you have easy reflection, the frame maker, the tropical front film, bad TV, brand fetch. So you just go down and any of this app that you need, go ahead and use it. And for share and publish, you will see you have various apps also under it. I don't want this video to be too long, but still I want it to be detailed and explanatory. So for team, you can see you have various apps for team too, which are basically our social media app. You have for HR, you have for sales, and you have recommended under. By the time you scroll down, you have for content planner. And I want to bring your attention to something. If you see this crown icon under anything or before or in front anywhere, it means it's for pro pro users, because we have two categories of users. We have the free users and the pro users. So if you are seeing this here or anywhere, it means it is only when you are on pro subscription that you can have access to this particular designs or this particular option here. So another thing in this left navigation bar is this dream lab, which was just included recently. So for this dream lab, the function is just to help you bring your imagination to life. if at all the template or the designs that you've created so far are not so pleasing, you can just come over here and describe what exactly you love um Dreamlab to create for you, and voila, it will be created. Then don't forget to come here. You have the smart option where you can have access to choose the exact way you want your designs to be created. So once you just click on it, and this one is for the custom size 1:1, I mean the platform that you're uploading it to, you can just explore on this too. So for the last one, which is there, is the glow hub. So this glow hub was launched earlier before the Droptober. So if you need to learn about the glow up, just click here, and if you want to give feedback, you click there too, and there you have it. So let's go back to the home page, and then let me still introduce you to more features that are here. So for this home page, we have another search button here. This one, it displays template as well as your existing content. So if you come here and you just search, you will find what you need, and still it will bring up all those designs that you've done previously, so you can easily choose out of them. And if you are creating a design without using a template, you just come here and create a design. Then you'll be asked what would you like to create. Just type it in, or if you find your options here, click on it, and then you create a design. We'll still come back to that. And for this option here, which is create a team, just click on it. If you have team, I mean you have collaboration, you have people that you work with, so you just click on this, and then you learn how to create a team and get right in. There is another thing here. There is this settings that you are seeing, the settings option. Once you click on it, it takes you to, you can see your account login and security. You have the message preference. If you want to change your profile photo, go ahead and change it, you update it. If you want to edit your name, your details, you know that you must have entered at the point of signing in, and what exactly you'll be using Canva for. So if you want to disconnect all this, you know, anything that you want to do, just go ahead and do it here. And for these settings again, you have your login and security, you have your message preference, you have privacy settings. If you want to invite people, your billings, you want to report anyone, or your domain, your purchase history, those are that under settings. And this notification, they are just basically for if you have any message or anything from anyone, you find your notification here. This place helps you sign in and sign out. It suggests improvement. It helps you know the plan and pricing. So whatever you want to do here, you find it under this key. And this last one, which is the help button, this one is for you to just seek help. You type in whatever help that you need. Anywhere, is it I want to navigate a particular, so you just type it in, and then you have your answers given without delay. Let's go back to our home page. So for this one, let's customize template together. Okay, let me search here and click on presentation. So for this presentation, we are just going to find the works we've done, you know, and then we'll find our design, I mean other templates. So you can see what I said initially, these are designs. And if you scroll down, if you come down, you'll see Canva template. So now we'll use a presentation as an example. As a new Canva user, you can see this is for pro, so I won't advise you go for pro designs. Why? Because when you are done, you won't be able to download your design. So the best thing you need to do is just, let's look for the one that does not have a crown icon. So we'll go with this one. This one does not have a crown icon. You just click on this. You can see the option customize this template. So let's go ahead and customize the template. We have 10 slides here, but we don't need this too much. So I'll start with showing you how to delete a slide or a page that is not needed. Once you click on this, you see this option here, page 9. Then you see this three button, click on it, and then you'll see add page, duplicate page, delete page, add page, block page, copy link, expand to wide, add transition. So what we are doing here, Okay, let me show you the first option. The first option is to add another page. So once you click on it, you'll see the effect. Can you see it has increased to 11? So now click on this particular page again and let's have it deleted. You can see add page, and if you want to duplicate, let's go to the second option. You want to duplicate this exact page, click on duplicate. You can see it has been duplicated. You can also use Control D, or you can even have it. Let's go ahead and delete this page, and also likewise delete this page. If you want to hide the page, you see the option hide page. If you want to lock the page, once you hide the page, you won't see it there again. You can see it has been hidden. So click on hide so that we can have it there. Then click on it again and lock page. If you want to lock page, it means you don't want to alter any of the design on that page. That's why you lock it. And if you want to copy link to this page, it means you already have a link that you need to attach to this page. Then if you want to expand to whiteboard, add transition. Add transition in the sense that you don't want your presentation slides to just go like that. I mean, let's go ahead and add transition. So if you're adding transition, the moment you click on add transition, you can either click on this three option to add transition, or you come here. You can see there is an option below this plus button. Once you click on this middle section, it is for add transition. So the moment you click on it, it's still the same option you have. So if you're adding transition to this, you can see the moment you add transition, I click ahem. So you can see the effects there. It's just to bring an effect to your presentation, to bring life to it. Let's take a look around this editor. You have editor at this corner, and the first editor that you have here is design. So for this design, once you click on it, it means you you really need another design. So you can see all results, and probably while designing, I don't want this particular page again, or I'm not so pleased with this 10 slides that I'm seeing. So the best thing, just ensure you're not going for this pro designs. Just go ahead, like this word that has 13, you can just click on it and then it's added to it. Then if you go to this layout is, you can see you need to add the heading. It will suggest where to arrange your content in order to maintain style of your design and refresh. So that's what layout does. You have it will, and for the styles too, you will see, assuming I've uploaded a particular style for my brand, then you'll find it. If you see recently used combination, so if you want to combine colors, you will just, can you see it has literally changed all the colors there. And for this element is basically for you to search whatever you just give instructions, search whatever that you're looking for this kind of presentation. So I can just search for marketing. I might need marketing icon or marketing, so you can see marketing strategy. If you come to graphics, you just scroll down and see so many graphics for you to use here. So whatever graphics that you desire, go ahead and click on it. And for photos too, you come here and then you have photos, you have videos, you have audio, you have mockups for you to add a realistic image. By the time you click on mockups, let me show you what I'm saying. So this mockups has been added already. Okay, I added it twice. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. So here we have mockups. So now if I'm going to put anything inside the mockups, so I'm going to go back to graphics and then look for one image and drop it under mockup. So let's see what effect will take place. So once you drop it in, you already see that it's loading. So now you can see we just created a realistic image, and that's the function of mockup. So for this test, you come here. If you need to add a text to a presentation, you can see you click on add a text box, or even make clicking T on your keyboard, it brings up a text. And for this magic ride, it was launched 2 few days ago. If you are stopped along the line and you need to like put a head, you just tell them what you want to describe and then click on it, then enter. It's going to go ahead and describe and help you complete your task. Then if you need to add a heading, a sub-heading, or however you want it, just go ahead. And this font combinations too is just for you to have a high level of creativity in your text or uniqueness too. And for this brand, it's for you to have easy access to upload your brand fonts, your graphics, your photos, your voice, for easy access and for consistency too. And this upload, once you click on it, you can easily upload your files. You record yourself uploading files. I mean, click on it, and then maybe you have photos or your um you have document, photos, pictures, anything that you want to upload to your Canva that you need immediately, go ahead and click on it. And if you need to record yourself, once you click on this, you can see wants to use your camera. So if I thought you want to do record, you know, you want your face to show the same way I'm doing, then the same thing, you just click on all these things and then voila, draw. If you are presenting and you need to quickly like make a drawing yourself, change the color here. If you don't want the red, if you want something like purple that will make it obvious, then pick a pen and come over here and start writing. So you can see I'm just trying to like show you what exactly this pen does. So you're almost done. Then the next thing, click on close. Then the next thing I will introduce you to is this note. If you are presenting something and you don't want to forget a particular point, you can just click on this and you type in what you want to do. I mean, the note you want to take down so that you don't forget. That's the function of that. And for duration, if you want it, if you want the time to be more than this, or you want to increase the time or anything, that's the duration. And for timer, maybe under 3 minutes you want to be done with presentation, just go ahead and edit it too. And for this one, if you want the slide to zoom out, zoom in, that's the function of um this circular button here. So for this one again, if you want the scrolling, yes, the scroll view, however you want it to be. Then for this grid, can you see I just changed the whole thing to a grid view. And for this option here, if you want to present in a full screen, you click on it and then you can see. So to go back with this one, you can press the escape button on your keyboard. So there are options here. For this undo, this is the undo button, or you click on Ctrl Z on your laptop. And if you want to go back to how it was before, just click on this. And for this one, you don't have to go through the stress of having to save your document or your designs each and every time you make a change on it. Just trust me, Canva has taken off the stress off you. And for this, there's this editing here too. If you want to edit, if you want to make a comment, if you want to put your designs on view only, there you have it. And for this resize option, if you want to resize your presentation to um an Instagram, this thing, you want to transform it into document, you can see magic switch. If you want to translate, if you want to change it to whiteboard, a website, a video, social media size, you have it resize instead of having to go through the stress of going through this thing all over again. So there is another option here, insight. If you want to view the insight, the number of people that has viewed or that has engaged with your designs, and since this is just the first one, so you find it here too. If you want to see people that has commented, here you go, you find it here. And the moment you are done, you want to present, you find options of the way you can have. If you want to present in full screen, presenter view, present and record, autoplay. Once you click any option here and click on present, voila, you have it. And once you are done with your design, here is an option of share. You can either download an option of share. You can download, present, public view. So however, you can even copy link and send it to anybody to have access to your design. Then you come to see, oh, there are more options for brand template, present, present and record. You can have this public view. You can present as a website, embed it, you can template link, you can copy to clipboard, you can even add QR code, you can save to folder, you can send to phone. Canva has so many options that you can work with. Please, I would love you to actually explore this. Don't forget, because if you want to achieve mastery over something, you need to practice. Thank you so much for listening. I'd love to know what your view is and where you would like us to come in to help you achieve a better and beautiful design. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And until the next video, bye bye.